Welcome back to the channel. And today on UltraCar, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic muscle cars reborn for the modern era, the Ford Mustang Eleanor 427 2026 model. This car is not just a vehicle, it's an emotion for muscle car lovers. Inspired by the legendary Eleanor design, this 2026 version blends classic aggression with modern engineering, making it a dream machine for enthusiasts who crave power, style, and heritage all in one package. From the very first glance, the front of the Mustang Eleanor 427 instantly commands attention. The long, muscular hood features aggressive air scoops that hint at the monster sitting underneath. The signature Eleanor racing stripes run proudly from front to back, giving it a bold and unmistakable identity. The redesigned grille looks wider and meaner, paired with modern LED headlights that keep the classic round-inspired look but add sharpness and clarity for night driving. The front splitter sits low, enhancing both aerodynamics and road presence, making this car look ready to attack the asphalt even when standing still. Moving to the side profile, the Eleanor 427 truly shows its muscle car DNA. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly from the front fender to the rear haunches, creating a powerful and planted stance. Wide performance tires wrapped around retro style alloy wheels give the car an aggressive posture, while side exhaust accents and subtle badging remind you that this is no ordinary Mustang. The slightly flared wheel arches not only enhance the visual appeal but also improve stability at high speeds, making the car look as capable as it is beautiful. At the back, the Mustang Eleanor 427 continues to impress with a bold and muscular design. The rear features classic triple vertical taillights with a modern LED touch, instantly recognizable from a distance. A performance diffuser and quad exhaust setup dominate the lower section, delivering a deep and throaty roar that muscle car fans will absolutely love. The rear spoiler adds a sporty finish while also contributing to improved downforce at higher speeds, completing the Eleanor's aggressive and balanced look. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a perfect blend of retro charm and modern luxury. The interior is driver-focused, wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, with contrast stitching that reflects Eleanor's racing heritage. The dashboard design pays homage to classic Mustangs while integrating a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports modern connectivity features like smartphone integration, navigation, and premium audio, ensuring comfort doesn't take a backseat to performance. The seats are heavily bolstered, keeping you firmly planted during spirited driving, yet comfortable enough for long journeys. When it comes to performance, the Ford Mustang Eleanor 427 2026 model truly lives up to its legendary name. Under the hood sits a powerful 427 cubic inch V8 engine, producing brutal horsepower and massive torque. The engine delivers explosive acceleration, pushing you back into the seat the moment you hit the throttle. Paired with a performance-tuned suspension and advanced braking system, the car offers precise handling without losing that raw muscle car feel. Whether you choose a manual transmission for full control or an advanced automatic for quick shifts, the driving experience remains thrilling and engaging. In terms of pricing, the Mustang Eleanor 427 2026 sits in the premium muscle car segment due to its limited production, custom detailing, and high-performance components. The price is expected to be significantly higher than a standard Mustang. However, for collectors and true enthusiasts, the cost is justified by the exclusivity, performance, and iconic Eleanor legacy. This car is not just a purchase, it's an investment in automotive history. As a suggestion, this car is perfect for those who appreciate classic muscle cars but still want modern reliability and technology. It's ideal for collectors, weekend drivers, and anyone who wants to stand out on the road. However, if fuel efficiency or daily city driving is your top priority, this beast might feel a bit excessive. This car is meant to be enjoyed, heard, and admired. To wrap things up, the Ford Mustang Eleanor 427 2026 model is a stunning tribute to one of the most legendary Mustangs ever created. It delivers breathtaking design, heart-pounding performance, and a driving experience that few cars can match. If you're a true muscle car fan, this Eleanor is more than just a car, it's a statement. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to UltraCar Time, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep the engines roaring and the passion alive.